Hey, Tony from SongWriters Chop Shop here. Don't let facts get in the way of a good song. Be flexible with the truth and always go for what sounds better. There needs to be a certain amount of poetry, imagery and drama in your lyrics, and the rhythm and melody and language will really bring this to life. So don't be afraid to exaggerate the detail in a song. Go to the extremes of a situation and the emotions. Make it 10 times bigger and see what it feels like. Practice by writing about an experience in your life that was really boring. Then exaggerate the truth to produce something that sounds good. With songwriting, as long as the emotional truth holds its integrity, feel free to get poetic. And you can maintain emotional truth even when writing about fictional circumstances. So if the actual facts are not good enough, get creative. Use the emotional truth to paint an exaggerated set of circumstances. It happens in movies all the time. Look at Luke Skywalker, a farm boy yearning for adventure. Instead of his destiny being just moving out of home and getting a good job, George Lucas made his destiny epic by saving the galaxy and bringing balance to the Force. It still maintained its emotional honesty, but now it engaged and excited the audience too. And if you want some tips about how you can exaggerate ideas and use words and phrases that sound good but maintain the emotional honesty of the song, check out this video next. Catch you next time.